Do your legs feel weaker than they used to? Maybe you notice it when you climb the stairs or when you get up from a chair and feel like your balance just isn't the same anymore. Do you get tired faster than before, even with simple things like walking around the house or carrying groceries? Here's something surprising. It's not just aging. Studies show that a big reason for weak legs and muscle loss after 60 is a drop in muscle building hormones and changes in how our body processes protein. But the good news is nature has its own helpers, and certain teas can actually support your muscles, your energy, and even your stability. Today, I'll share 3 powerful teas that research links to stronger legs and better mobility. And trust me, the last one on this list may completely surprise you. But before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Let me know in the comments because you are definitely not alone. And now, let's start with the first tea. Tea number 1, Ginger Turmeric Tea. Let's start with one of the most powerful teas for rebuilding strength after 60, Ginger Turmeric Tea. Now, if you've ever woken up with heavy legs, stiff joints, or that dull ache that makes every step feel harder than it should, this tea can make a real difference. You see, as we age, inflammation quietly creeps into our muscles and joints. It's one of the hidden reasons why walking feels harder, why knees don't bend as easily, and why recovery takes longer. Ginger and turmeric are nature's answer. They've been used for thousands of years in traditional Indian medicine to ease pain, reduce stiffness, and boost circulation. Modern studies back this up, showing that compounds in turmeric, like curcumin, actually calm the body's inflammation at the root level. And here's something fascinating. Ginger doesn't just soothe aching joints. It also helps improve blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. That's what gives you that feeling of lightness in your legs. Natural energy without the jitters you'd get from coffee. In fact, some NBA players swear by ginger turmeric tea as part of their recovery routine after tough games. If world-class athletes rely on it to keep their bodies moving strong, imagine what it can do for you. Making it is simple. Just slice some fresh ginger, add a teaspoon of turmeric, and don't forget a pinch of black pepper. It helps your body absorb turmeric better. Steep it in hot water, then add honey or lemon if you like a little flavor. Would you try this every morning? Comment yes or no below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But here's the thing. Reducing pain and stiffness is just the beginning. The next tea actually boosts stamina and keeps your energy levels steady throughout the day. And you don't want to miss it. Tea number 2, Ginseng Green Tea. Now let's talk about a tea that can help if you've been feeling drained. Like, no matter how much rest you get, your stamina just isn't there anymore. Ginseng Green Tea. It's normal to feel a dip in energy after 60. Maybe you start your day okay, but by mid-afternoon, even small tasks feel exhausting. That sluggishness often comes from stress hormones, weaker muscle recovery, and less efficient energy production in the body. This is where ginseng and green tea work together like a perfect team. Ginseng is what's called an adaptogen. Don't worry about the big word. It simply means it helps your body adapt to stress. It balances your energy so you don't feel wired like with caffeine, but steady and clear. Studies show it can even improve endurance, helping you stay active longer without feeling drained. Pair that with green tea, which is rich in antioxidants that protect your muscles from wear and tear, and you get a drink that fuels your body while keeping you calm and focused. And here's a fun story. Jackie Chan, even in his 70s, has openly credited ginseng as part of his daily routine to keep up his incredible stamina for action scenes. If he can still pull off stunts at that age, imagine the difference it can make in your walks, workouts, or even just keeping up with grandkids. To make it at home, brew a cup of green tea, then add a few slices of ginseng root or a teaspoon of ginseng powder. Let it steep for a few minutes, and enjoy that gentle lift of energy. Have you tried ginseng before? It's surprisingly powerful. Let me know in the comments. But this next tea is a real game changer, especially if stress and poor sleep are stealing your strength. Tea number 3, Ashwagandha Root Tea. Have you ever noticed how stress seems to drain your energy even more as you get older? It's almost like your body doesn't bounce back the way it used to. That's where ashwagandha root tea comes in. This ancient herbal tea has been used for centuries, but only in recent years have studies confirmed just how powerful it really is, especially for rebuilding muscle and restoring balance after 60. One of the biggest problems as we age is cortisol, your stress hormone. When it stays high, it weakens your muscles, steals your energy, and even makes it harder to sleep. But research shows that ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming the body, and giving your muscles the chance to actually repair overnight. And if you've ever woken up at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, you'll love this part. Ashwagandha has been shown to improve sleep quality, meaning your muscles and nerves get the deep recovery they need. Nutritionists often recommend it because it doesn't just calm stress, it also supports nerve health and balance. That means steadier legs, more strength, and more confidence with every step. Imagine feeling rested in the morning, not groggy, and actually looking forward to moving around again. Now, preparing it is simple. Just simmer the dried root, or a teaspoon of the powder in hot water, for about 10 to 15 minutes. To make it soothing, add a pinch of cinnamon and a little honey before bedtime. The result is a warm, comforting tea that feels almost like a gentle hug for your nervous system. Do you usually drink herbal teas at night? This one could truly transform your evenings. But don't go anywhere, because while ashwagandha may restore balance and sleep, the next part of this video will reveal which tea could be the ultimate game changer for aging muscles. You won't want to miss it. So let's do a quick recap. Ginger turmeric tea helps ease stiffness, reduce pain, and boost circulation so your legs feel lighter. Ginseng Green Tea gives you stamina and calm energy, helping you get through the day without feeling drained. And Ashwagandha Root Tea supports balance, recovery, and deeper sleep, so your body can rebuild and restore overnight. The truth is, you don't have to accept weakness as a normal part of aging. Your muscles, your energy, and even your balance can improve when you give your body the right support. These teas have been trusted for centuries, and now research is showing why they work. And remember, even just 1 cup a day can start making a difference. Which of these 3 teas will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Your legs can feel strong again, and the best part is, it doesn't take anything complicated. Just a little consistency in these natural teas can help your muscles, your energy, and even your balance return. Aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means giving your body the right tools to thrive. If this video was helpful, give it a like. And tell me in the comments, which tea will you try first? I read every response. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who wants to stay strong after 60. And here's the exciting part. If you want to know which foods work even better than teas for rebuilding muscle, check out my next video right here.